The all-NEW2021 BMW M3 Competition Sport Car. New BMW M3 Sedan and new BMW M4 Coupe with unequivocally performance-focused vehicle concept. Tuning work conducted alongside testing program for the BMW M4 GT3 racing car. Familiar M blend of dynamism, agility, and precision meets everyday usability and long-distance capability. Extra variety in the powertrain offering. Authentic performance experience in the new BMW M3 Sedan and new BMW M4 Coupe thanks to 6-speed manual gearbox not offered by any rival. BMW M3 Competition Sedan and BMW M4 Competition Coupe with 8-speed M Steptronic transmission. Competition models also available with M xDrive all-wheel drive system for the first time, EST from summer 2021. 6-cylinder inline engine with M TwinPower Turbo technology, high revving character, maximum 375 kW/510 HP and up to 650 Nm, 479 lb-ft. 2 turbochargers, optimized direct injection, cooling and oil supply adapted for track use, model-specific exhaust system with electrically operated flaps for emotionally stirring engine soundtrack. Model-specific 6-speed manual gearbox with gear shift assistant for extremely dynamic driving situations. Latest generation of the 8-speed M Steptronic transmission with drive logic and 3-shift programs. M xDrive links up with active M differential, rear wheel bias setup, 3 selectable modes, 4WD, 4WD Sport and 2WD for pure rear-wheel drive and deactivated stability control. Adaptive M suspension with electronically controlled shock absorbers and M servotronic steering with variable ratio are fitted as standard. M-specific front and rear axle modifications. New integrated braking system with 2 settings for pedal feel and response. M compound brakes as standard, M carbon ceramic brakes optional. Dynamic stability control, DSC, including M dynamic mode and, for the first time, integrated wheel slip limitation and M traction control adjustable through 10 stages. 2 body variants with their own individual exterior designs and an emotionally engaging aesthetic. BMW M3 Sedan and BMW M4 Coupe with performance-oriented body features, M-specific version of large, vertical BMW kidney grille, powerfully sculpted wheel arches with eye-catching M gills, prominent side sill extensions with attachments to the front and rear aprons, carbon fiber roof with aerodynamically optimized fins, plus rear spoiler and familiar M tailpipe pairs. New, exclusive exterior paint finishes. M carbon exterior package and BMW M performance parts available as options. Ergonomically optimized sports car cockpit with M-specific displays and controls. Newly developed M Sport seats and fine-grain merino leather trim with extended features fitted as standard, optionally with seat ventilation. New M carbon bucket seats with structure-based design available as an option.